At Lockheed Martin, our mission is to keep you mission ready. And the F-35 Lightning II delivers. When advanced engineering matters most. When air superiority requires superior technology. When precision means you're ready for all possibilities. The F-35 is a step ahead. With unmatched stealth, advanced sensors, and can go where no other fighter can go. See what no other fighter can see. To finish. Ensuring our men and women in uniform have a decisive advantage and come home safe every time. Helping you safeguard the skies at home and abroad. It's your mission that defines our purpose.